and welcome to today's video. We are back with another Boxycharm, a sneak peek, talking more about some of the, well, okay, one brand we are seeing or hearing about for the base box, and lots of sneak peeks that we are hearing about for the premium box. So I'm pretty excited about all of it. I will be honest with you, this is like my fourth time sitting down to film for you. I am really chatty. So you might as well just get yourself a snack, beverage. You may need a beverage. I cannot guarantee that this video is going to be straight to the point. Let's be honest. It's not. Anyways, hopefully I get this video up for y'all on Sunday, June 20th. And if I do, happy, huge 21st birthday to my oldest. My mama heart can't take it. It's a lot, and I cannot even believe it. I now have a 21-year-old. It's just too much, and my boy's gonna be graduating this year. Like, you know what? Get a beverage for me. Just, I need a beverage too. Like, if the husband was here, I'd be like, dude, right here. I need one. It's a lot. It is a lot. And a lot of you all left a comment letting me know that the 20th is your big day as well. So a huge happy birthday to you all. So I have a lot I'm going to tell y'all right quick. So let's start off with my hair, because I do get a lot of questions about my hair. It's still the Moroccanoil Color Depositing Conditioner in the shade Lilac. Now it is a bit bolder than I typically have it. Reason being is normally I only leave it on 5 to 7 minutes. This go around I left it on for like almost 15 minutes. So it's uber vibrant and I'm living. As far as how long does it last, I get about 4 washes when I do like the 5-minute. I don't know how long this one's gonna last me. What I can tell you is I only wash my hair twice a week. So this is gonna last me about 2.5 weeks before I put more in. You don't need that much. The longer you let it sit, the more vibrant you're gonna get the color. I'll have it listed and linked down below. Welcome to my channel. We're over here, we're just embracing the hot mess of chitter chatter ramble fest, because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. On my eyes, of course, I have my Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral palette. Matter of fact, I have like the middle row. That whole middle row is what is on my eyes. I've just been really loving and rocking the matte eye look. And then of course I have my Blink. This is the Glow Getter face palette. I mix all of these blushes together and then mix the highlighters together. It's just a beautiful palette. So everything else I'll have linked and listed down below for y'all. But now we're about 4 minutes in. Let's go ahead and jump into a little chit chat about Boxycharm. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the base box. I don't have a ton of information for y'all on the base box. However, like as far as the spoilers go, but let's go ahead real quick and talk about what the choices were if you missed my last video. So as far as the base box goes, this is $25 a month. You do get to customize one item in the box. Now, the day that I'm filming this video, which is the 18th, choice is still available, but I don't know if it's still going to be up and available on the 20th when y'all see this video. Definitely make sure to check my link down below and check if you are interested in signing up for any of the boxes that I'm going to be talking about. Not an affiliate code, and I do not earn a commission. It's just a way for you to go right over to Boxycharm and make your choices. Now, starting with the base box, the $25 a month box, and the one item you get to customize, you had 4 choices to choose from. The first one is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens. This was an oil-free foaming cleanser. I'll be honest with y'all, in my paid-for box, this is what I did go ahead and choose. Only because I had the other 2 palettes and I couldn't remember if I had the 3rd palette. So, anywho, the Illamasqua palette. Yes, we have seen that in prior boxes, but it was like the premium or the luxe box that we had seen it. So if you do not receive those boxes and you did not purchase it in add-ons or pop-up, because it has been seen in those, now you have the opportunity to get it in your $25 box. Next, we had the Ofra Cosmetic palette. This is an amazing palette. Matter of fact, I do think I've done a look either over on Instagram or some of my past videos using this palette. It's an amazing palette. I told you all, I think Ofra Cosmetics has a wonderful eyeshadow formula, blush, bronzer, highlighter, the highlighters. Like, you're gonna glow to the gods with the highlighters. They're just absolutely amazing. So this is an amazing choice. And again, I get confused if this was in a luxe or a premium box, but either way, even though it was in an add-on or a pop-up, if you have not received it, you now have the opportunity to grab it. Next was the Alamar Cosmetics bronzer palette, which this was the other option where I was like, maybe I'll get this, maybe I'll get the Pharmacy. Like I said, I went with the Pharmacy because I do have an abundance of bronzers. But as we've seen in the past, Alamar Cosmetics blusher formulas, chef's kiss. They are amazing, and I have no doubt that no matter which shade, light, medium, or dark, or deep that you chose, I think you're really going to enjoy this formula. So as far as the choices go, yes, some of the items we have seen in past boxes, but not specifically the base box. Moving on to what I've heard through the grapevine over on Instagram as far as a brand that we are going to see coming back to BoxyCharm, and that is Beauty Bakery. Now, we have seen them in the past with some of their makeup tools, their little makeup sponges. We've seen their eyeshadow palettes. I know we've seen them in like add-ons or pop-up. I don't know as of right this second when I'm filming this video what is going to be from them in the box, but it is definitely supposedly gonna be something from Beauty Bakery. How do y'all feel about that? Because me personally, I'm all for it. I think that that's absolutely wonderful, and I love, love, love their eyeshadow formula. So I'm kind of hoping it's an eyeshadow palette, but at the same time, I wouldn't be upset if it was a blush palette. So anyways, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Let's go ahead and move over to the premium box. Now, the premium box is $35. It's been 100% confirmed that ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, is doing a complete brand takeover. They've already sent some of the PR boxes out to some of the influencers. They're already unboxing it. We've gotten a lot of sneak peek spoilers as far as that goes on the different variation that we are seeing, and I'm pretty excited about it. I mean, personally for me, I know some people are like, I can get this stuff at TJ Maxx. Well, kudos to you, sis, because my TJ Maxx is god-awful. They don't stock it, and if they do stock it, the eBayers, the Mercury, is it called Mercury? I don't know, and like the other, I forget the other thing where people sell stuff, they go in and they wipe it out. So by the time I get there, it's not good. And if I drive an hour away, I have like a 50% chance of getting something decent at like that Marshall's, and to me, it's just not worth it. So I will tell y'all, I'm gonna tangent for a second. If y'all watch Leah Janae, I think she's in Iowa. I want to visit Iowa just for the TJ Maxx's that are around her, because my gosh, she does so many TJ Maxx hauls and they are absolutely amazing. Like the stuff that she gets there, I'm just like, why can't mine be like yours? I mean, that is So anyhow, I digress. I can't get any of this at my TJ Maxx. So we had two choices when it came to the $35 premium box. The first one was either one of the Norvina palettes, which are absolutely beautiful. I have to tell you all, these were also available. Was it both? Both or one was actually available in add-ons for like $24. Do I need to buy them? No. My daughter Haley does actually own them, so I'm like, you don't need them. She owns them. You can borrow them. It's fine. But for that price, it's very, very tempting. I will tell you that. Now, if I had a choice, I think I would go with the orange one. Even though I love purple. You know what? I'm lying. I think because of my hair, I'd probably end up going with the purple. I'm lying. I would just want to buy them both. I would want both in my collection. That's where I'm at in life. So there's that. What did you all pick? I'm kind of curious to see which one won out of these two. Like, who picked more of the purple? Was, you know, the purple the winner in the choices, or was the orange the winner? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts down below. But either way, they're both beautiful palettes, and I think you could create some gorgeous looks. But I'll be honest, I am kind of leaning towards that orange one for whatever reason. I know the reason. It is, what is that? A1? I don't know, that lime green up in the corner, and then there's like that aqua bluey teal underneath of it. I don't know why I love those colors together, because it scares the living you know what out of me to put those two on my eyes, but I love to look at them. Okay. I spent way too much on that one choice. Anywho, moving over to choice 2, you did have a choice between the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzers, the loose setting powder, or the hydrating oil. From what I saw, a lot of y'all seem to go with either the powder or the bronzer, and you actually had choices. The only thing was, because we didn't know this was going to be a choice, I feel like I saw a lot of people say, I didn't know which shade bronzer to go with. So, I feel you there. I mean, if you had a second to jump over to like Sephora or ABH's website and check it, but at the same time you run that chance of like missing out on that choice because you never know how popular something's going to be. I will tell you once again, today is June 18th when I'm filming this, and as of today you can still get in and sign up for the premium box and make the choice. Not a guarantee 100% if you're going to get the box. Another question that I see all of the time is people asking me, can I just sign up for premium? The way it is set up right now with Boxycharm is you do have to start off with the base box. So go ahead, sign yourself up for the base box, stick yourself on the wait list for the premium box. Now how this works is make your choice for the premium. If you do go ahead and get approved or off the wait list, however you want to word it, then you'll receive the first month both the base and the premium box. Now if you decide going into say August, you've got off the wait list for the premium, you received both the base and the premium July boxes. Come August, you can drop your base box and only keep your premium, but there's going to be 1 month that you do receive both the base and the premium. I'm praying to Jesus that I explained that correctly, because in my head I'm like really congratulating myself, patting myself on the back, because I feel like that was the first time in a long time that I have explained something that it totally made all the sense. And if it did not, let me bask in my glory, okay? All right, so moving on. Now, when I was scrolling over on Instagram, I saw some influencers who did receive the PR already showing some of the boxes and what their PR box actually looked like. Did I take a screenshot? I thought I took a screenshot. So one of the things that we have seen so far when it comes to the ABH box, I don't know where I had put the influencer. If I can find it, I will like pop it up here for y'all. But as you all always know, anytime I pull anything from anywhere, I always leave the handles so y'all can go give them a follow. Now, Ipsy versus Boxy over on Instagram is showing us a confirmed ABH takeover spoiler, which again, the premium box is going to be nothing but ABH products. We've got 2 highlighters here, and it does look like a mascara. They're also showing over on Boxy Sneak Peek that we're getting a brow type of gel, a brow liner, which I mean, ABH is really known for those brow products as far as that goes. But it does look like it's the brow definer, a clear brow gel, a tinted brow gel, lash brag volumizing mascara, and the loose highlighters, one in Vegas and Peach Fizz. So all of this, of course, I believe is going to be variations as far as the coloring goes. Now, here's what I'm going to tell y'all as far as the brow products go. Typically, we see this being a choice item where you get to customize your color. We obviously didn't see it this time, which honestly, I'm not too bothered by it because I feel like the choices for premium, I would much rather have seen getting to choose the Norvina palettes and then one of those 3 products, you know, the bronzer, the hydrating oil, or the powder. What I will tell you, if you want to make sure that you get the correct shade, go make sure to update your account, because you're gonna want to do that in order to get the correct shade as far as that goes. So just go into your account, make sure that you've got your shades updated, because that is what they're supposed to pull from. So just keep that in mind. So another thing that I just saw on Boxycharm_spoilers X is an influencer who I'm assuming has received the PR box, and they are showing the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Shimmering Body Gel, which I really want that. I mean, I'm all about that kind of stuff. I love to sparkle. And then of course they're showing one of the highlighters, and I'm pretty excited about it. So of course, while I was editing, I came across BoxySub's picture over here with some lashes as well as setting sprays, lipsticks, and then Boxy Sneak Peek also has some brushes, the lipsticks, setting spray, lashes, everything. So I am super excited about this premium box for the month of July. Let me know your thoughts as far as that goes, and of course I'll be back with more spoilers for the base box. I'm pretty excited about the premium box. Like I told you all, I am like, do I just go ahead and do it? And then at the same time I'm like, maybe you should just pick and buy the things that you want out of add-ons. It is a constant fight with myself all the time. I will find a way to justify things. Anybody else? Please? If so, let's be friends. Anyways, y'all, that is all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I'm all over the place. It's fine. It is what it is. If you're new here, it's the norm. Hopefully you are my people. Anyways, make sure to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size CoverGirl fashion hauls. I just did a Forever 21 haul that is already up. It went up this past Thursday. This is where this top's from. Cozy, love it. There are lots more videos to come over there. Of course, I'm over on TikTok and I'm on Twitter, but I don't do much on Twitter. Instagram, that's what I meant to say, at HOTMESSMOMMA4. All right, I'm hopping off. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.